Good Saturday, everyone. Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic day. It's about 11:30 right now, and just wanted to share that I'll be doing an open house over at the 701 Gibson Drive, number 836 condo. Beautiful condo. I did the open house for this last weekend as well. Had a lot of people come through, showed a lot of interest. This is located in Roseville, not far from the Galleria, but just far enough to where you won't have to worry about any of the traffic or congestion. It's got great shopping and great restaurants nearby. So I would definitely tell you all, if you are in the market looking to potentially get a home, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's again in a gated community, and there's a pool and spa on site with a community garden, huge grass area for being able to take your loved ones, your dogs, meaning if you have them. So I'll be there from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. today. Super look forward to seeing anybody out there that I know. If you want to come through, check out this condo, or just come say hi. Again, out there in Roseville at 701 Gibson Drive, and it's number 836, and the list price is $400,000. This is priced very, very well for the community and the area that it's in. So again, if you are looking for something and that fits your parameters, definitely come check me out, or feel free give me a call. All my information is on my social medias. You can find me very easily. So call, text, or email. Love to see you guys. Hopefully you have a blessed day. It's Father's Day weekend, so for all you fathers out there, also just want to say happy Father's Day, and hope you're getting a chance to relax, get a chance to spend some time with your children if you have them, and do what it is that you want to do this weekend. So with that said, y'all, hopefully I'll see you, but I definitely will talk to you soon. Peace.